everyone, welcome back to Lifey Technologies YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well and thank you so much for watching this session. So this is question 11 of our HCI certification exam dumps, and this question is about IPv6. So they're asking what is the length of the basic IPv6 packet header. So we know that we have IPv4, which we've discussed before. We also have IPv6. So both IPv4 and IPv6 are covered in HCI, and you really need to understand the function of the different fields, the lengths of the different fields. You also need to understand the functionality of the different fields that make up the packet header. So the question is, what is the length of the basic IPv6 packet header? So they're asking the length of the basic IPv6 packet header, and these numbers are in bytes. So you need to know what is the length of the individual fields in IPv6, and then you will be able to do the math and get the correct answer. So you've been told that A is 40, B is 48, C is 32, and D is 64. So the first thing that will help you to understand this or to correctly respond to this question is knowing the field that we have in an IPv6 packet header and the respective length of these different fields. Without that, it will be very hard for you to respond to this question. But if you know offhand, then it's very easy. This is a very easy question. You will spend seconds to respond to it correctly. So the basic IPv6 packet header is 40 bytes. And the way we arrive at 40 bytes is we do the math. So we know that we have different fields in IPv6 packet header. So if I just, let me use the draw in the paint to help demonstrate how we arrive at 40. So we have different fields, as I've mentioned. We have version. So version has 4 bits. We have traffic class. Traffic class has 8 bits. We have floor label. The floor label has 20 bits. We have payload length, and the payload length has 16 bits. So this is 16 bits for the payload length. We have the next header. So the next header has 8 bits. We have the hop limit, the TTL in IPv6. So hop limit has 8 bits. Then we have the source address and destination address. So remember, source address and destination address will be 128 bits. That is the length of an IPv6 address. So the destination address will also have 128 bits. So these are the basic fields in an IPv6 packet header. We haven't added any options. So the total, when you add it, you will get 320 bits. And when you convert into bytes, you divide by 8, you will get that the value will be 40 bytes. So the basic IPv6 packet header has 40 bytes. So the correct answer should be A. 40 bytes, and this is how you arrive to the 40 bytes. So you add 4 plus 8 plus 20 plus 16 plus 8 plus 8 plus 128 plus 128. You will get 320. You divide by 8, you get 40 bytes. So this is the correct answer. If it was in bits, then you need to respond to 320 bits. So this is it for this question. I hope you've understand it, and see you in the next session.